In this guide, we will provide a detailed explanation of the splitting technology in the game pool and how to get rewards in splitting by freezing bull split tokens. Splitting is the process of freezing tokens in your wallet and receiving daily rewards for the frozen tokens from the liquidity pool. Splitting becomes available after you have completed an airdrop from the Battle Bulls game, and bull split tokens have been credited to your smart wallet. Here, we will walk you through the entire splitting process in the game pool. The first step before starting the splitting process is to freeze bull split tokens. Note that the minimum amount required for freezing and splitting is 0.01 bull split. Select the bull split token in your wallet. The screen will display detailed information about your balance and transaction history. To participate in splitting, you must first freeze bull split tokens. Let's begin the process of preparing to split the bull split token. Click on the freeze symbol. On the next screen, you will see your available balance for freezing and the total number of frozen tokens in your wallet. To freeze the tokens, click on the freeze button. On the following screen, you will be prompted to enter the number of tokens you wish to freeze. Enter the desired amount and click Confirm. Next, review the amount to be frozen and confirm the action by clicking Freeze. You will then need to confirm the action with your PIN code. If everything is done correctly, you will see a congratulatory screen indicating that the tokens have been successfully frozen. Now let's talk about how to request rewards. Select the bull split token and click the splitting button. It's located just below your balance. Please note that splitting requires having smart coins in your balance. They are necessary to pay for executing the smart contract. If you do not have enough smart coins, you will be prompted to top up your balance. If there are enough coins in the balance, a window will open with information about the current splitting status. The following information will be available on the opened screen. My frozen bull splits. The number of bull split tokens frozen in your balance. Total frozen bull splits. The total number of frozen bull split tokens in the blockchain. Daily reward. The daily amount of Ultima tokens distributed among users who have frozen bull split tokens. Current block shows the current block in the blockchain. Final block shows the last block for the current halving period. Expected reward, the estimated reward amount for all splits that may participate in splitting. Note that the first reward can be received 24 hours after freezing. After this time, click the Claim Reward button to request your reward from the pool. A confirmation screen will open. Note that if you are using Smart Defender, you will need to place the card against the smartphone to request the reward. Check the box confirming that you agree to the product's terms of use and click the Confirm button. Done. You have successfully claimed your reward. Just click OK, and the Ultima token screen will open, where you can see your reward. Important rule. Before you start the freezing process, please note that any action related to freezing or unfreezing bull split tokens will reset the reward waiting time and splitting in your wallet. The reward waiting time is 24 hours. For example, if you received a reward 20 hours ago and there were 4 hours left until the next reward, freezing or unfreezing bull split tokens will reset the waiting time to 24 hours. Therefore, we recommend requesting your reward first and then freezing the tokens. It's important to understand that a fee in Smart is charged for each transaction when requesting a reward. But you can avoid paying this fee if you stake or simply put, freeze your Smart coins. By freezing Smart, you support the network and, in return, receive key resources. Bandwidth and energy, which are necessary for performing all transactions on the blockchain, including smart contract transactions.